Hello guys, welcome back to my next video. In this video we will be learning some numericals related to trigonometric ratios. So take out your pen and notebook and enjoy this lecture with me. The first problem which we are going to solve is 1 by sine A plus cos A plus 1 by sine A minus cos A, which we have to prove as 2 sine A divided by 1 minus 2 cos square A. So let's prove this, guys. In this type of numericals, we have to solve the LHS first and then the RHS. Depending on the question, we have to choose the LHS. In this question, we are beginning with LHS. So in LHS, we are setting the tone by adding up the two equation and cancelling out the cos A, which results to 2 sin A divided by sin square A minus cos square A, in which we can write as 1 minus cos square A minus cos square A, which again gives the desired result, which is 2 sin A divided by 1 minus 2 cos square A. Moving on to our next question, where we have to prove cosec A plus cot A 1 minus cos A equals to sin A. So solving the LHS first, we will get cosec A as 1 by sin A and cot A as cos A by sin A, and the remaining one will be written as that only, 1 minus cos A. Solving this equation, we would get 1 plus cos A and 1 minus cos A divided by sin A, which will result and give us sin square A by sin A. The sin square A and sin A will get cancelled out, which give sin A, and which proves the LHS and RHS. Moving on to our third numerical, which is root over 1 plus cos A 1 minus cos A equals to cosec A plus cot A. In this particular question, we have to solve the LHS by multiplying the denominator and numerator by 1 plus cos A. Solving the root equation as 1 plus cos A into 1 plus cos A divided by 1 plus cos A into 1 minus cos A, which will give us the value of 1 plus cos A whole square to the power root, which gives 1 plus cos A divided by sin A, which in turn we can write 1 by sin A plus cos A by sin A as cosec A plus cot A, which gives our required result.